We literally got nobody. Let's go. We got 6 elevators. Which one is it gonna be? This is the Venetian here in Vegas. This one. Oh no, that was the other ones. All right. Hopefully these are not carded. Oh, these are nice. Let's see. Yes, we can go up. Let's go. All right, here we go. Let's see how fast these are. I'm gonna get copyrighted for all this music here. The elevator's shaking. My ears are popping. Wee. Oh, we could transfer right here. Take a different one. Alright, here we go. Some nice, very nice elevators actually. Most elegant cabs I've probably seen by far. These are buttons. And you got this screen right here. Wee. All right. Those are nice. Guess that's a good thumbnail pick. And there are low-rise and medium-rise elevators, but I'm not going to do those. Anyways, that's it.